Alright guys, today we're going to be showing you our slimes. And we're waiting for our cousins to go get it out the freezer. And this slime calls for, well, we're just going to do a little reveal. Alright, shut up. For real, stop. And guys, we're just going to show you how it's going to turn out. And guys, we're going to be making it right now. Can't you believe that? And so guys, here it is. Not frozen yet because I'm leaving it in there for, I'm leaving it in there for like 2 minutes, and I'm gonna mix it. And it to really slimy, guys.
Now it's slimy, guys. You wanna see?
It's like very jiggly.
We can touch it.
Wait. Put it back in.
It's slime.
This is slime, guys. So guys,
but our slime is yellow.
Because of the hand soap, guys.
No, that was the soap.
Now, if you want to come to my mom's house, you can. So we can make more slime.
No, she wants.
Well,
yeah, y'all can leave
if you want to.
If I want to. If I don't want to, I don't have to. And guys, this slime does like. Wait, I'm trying to show it. You can play with it. Okay, guys, it's like rough. But it's still no, guys.
I slime.
Oh, it's slime destroyed.
Sorry, guys.
But it's still like slime though. Still slime. Are we gonna give me a nap that
everywhere?
It's still slime, but it just got it. Are we giving me my it's still slime.
Go to town.
And I'm just gonna wipe my hands
Sorry,
off.
guys.
So we got to do another one.
We're just going to show you how to make it. Where's the thing? Aubrey, go put some soap in there.
Can I do it,
Aubrey? You
no.
Go with her. Let her do it, Aubrey.
Wow.
This is put some in there.
You
Why is this like burning my view? Wait a minute. Is this some kind of stuff that you don't use? Whatever. And
guys, my cousin going to get some soap and a thing. So we're gonna wait on her.
In the thing, she meant to say, in the bowl. And so guys, wait, is that see if that's enough salt for it?